every single day. People are making thousands of dollars thanks to AI. The ugly truth though is that these people are not even smart. Half of them don't even speak English. Today we're breaking down the laziest business model real entrepreneurs are using to print hundreds and even thousands of dollars daily using AI. We will look into the 3 essential things you need: a product to promote, where to promote it, and the tools and step-by-step process to complete all of that. Step number 1 is finding or creating a product to promote. For the past 15 years, I've been making hundreds of thousands of dollars using the methods I'm about to show you. In fact, this weird image right here is responsible currently for me making about $9,000 in monthly recurring revenue. So I'm going to show you the 2 ways that currently are used by a lot of people to make money. The first way is a bit more technical and I don't recommend it, but I'm going to show it to you, is vibe coding web or mobile apps. Tools like bot.new is a vibe coding tool where you prompt just a human text and the tool creates a fully functional web or mobile app. Similar to Lovable, I used Lovable to vibe code an app, and I actually vibe coded this app called Dragonly, and this app is a YouTube thumbnail designer. You import your own images here and the tool gives you a ready to go thumbnails. Why I don't recommend going with this way? Vibe coding apps, sounds easy, but in reality you need to be technical and you need to spend a lot of money for these AI tokens. So what I recommend is this way, the second one, promoting someone else's product. You can call this CPA marketing, you can call this affiliate marketing. And what a better product than educational product, because people will always want to learn new skills and new stuff. One place you can do that is Udemy. And on Udemy, you can become an affiliate. They have an affiliate program. If you go here, you can click affiliates. And the most important for you is the payment and commissions, which I don't like because Udemy is giving very few commissions, not a lot. So what I do recommend is called school.com. Here are independent course creators that are willing to give you up to 50% commission for promoting their courses. Now, why this is lucrative and easy? Because you don't have to create the course yourself. You don't have to talk with students, but you're getting monthly commission, not one time. It's a monthly recurring commission. I have my own community called Profit Avengers, and I'm giving 50% commissions for my affiliates. This is a community for people who are interested in affiliate marketing. These are monthly commissions. The first step is to find your community of choice. There are thousands of communities here on school.com. Fitness, cooking, hobbies. For example, you can see hobbies, music, money, we have spirituality, we have tech, we have health, sports, self-improvement, and so on and so on. I'm going to go with the example of my community, my own community, Profit Avengers. So once you find a community you like, then we're coming up to step number 2, which is finding people to join that community. For that purpose, we're going to be using Meta and Facebook. You can type in Google Facebook ads library, and in here, I'm going to start typing affiliate marketing because I want to see how other people are promoting affiliate marketing courses or communities or coaching programs. This is important. The sort by filters should be set to impressions high to low. Okay, this means only the most converting ads are going to be shown in the beginning. Let's say United States, let's say like this, so we can see the ads in the US, and there we have it. Now we have the most relevant ads. We have like Affiliate World Conference, we have Jim someone, I don't know his name. What you need to do is highlight the URL, copy that URL, and now we're going to open our first AI tool, which is called Manus. In Manus, hey Manus, we're into Facebook ads library and study this URL. It's a URL with ads about affiliate marketing in the US. And I'm going to paste the URL right here, and I'm going to say something else. I want you to find the best converting angles. Now this is important because we don't want all the ads. We want just the ones that actually make money. So now Manus is going to pull the data. Also, it's going to give us the format of the ads. Is it an image ad, video ad? Then the conversion metric, which is important. Ad copy structure and persuasion techniques. This is important. Visual creative patterns and estimated engagement potential based on the ad frequency. So as you can see here, Manus opened a computer desktop and it's logging in into its own Facebook and it pulls data as we speak. So this is all the data it pulls. This is the screen, by the way. I'm not touching it. Like Manus is doing all the work and it's researching. Back to Facebook, but not only Facebook, we're gonna jump on to Facebook Ads Manager. Why? We're using paid ads, meta ads, to drive traffic to these courses, right? So don't freak out because you don't have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars. You can spend as little as like $20 a day. And I will show you the example here is I've literally created this ad the other day and we've spent $12 per purchase, one purchase. And I already showed you how much money we can make recurring because you spend this $12 once. These are AI images that I've created based on Manus and another AI tool, which we're going to see in just a second. So we have this file, open it and start reading about angles. This is one of the angles. No inventory, no hassle angle. This is for affiliate marketing, is perfect. Based on this due diligence conduct, I found some of my angles. And then I opened GPT. And in ChatGPT, I said, I want you to create me vivid, high converting image ads, 3 of them for my affiliate marketing community in school.com. I want you to focus on affiliate marketing. They should be meta optimized and bring high CTR, make it 101. And then later on, I gave the angle. Here's the first angle, the escape. We have the dashboard with money earnings, which is not cool. But now, this is one of the ads ChatGPT gave me, which is not bad, but not ideal. It looks too generic, right? So I don't like this. And based on my conversation with Manus and ChatGPT, here is what I came to. This is one of my prompts to make high converting Facebook ads that are very cheap and bring a lot of customers. I want you to create similar ads, but with different designs. Maybe something unusual. Maybe use books, laptops. Create a scene where, let's say, it's unusual, controversial, like a mechanic is in a kitchen of a restaurant, or a chef or a cook is in a surgical room with doctors, or vice versa. So we can create controversy and be interesting. And so check this out, guys. The wrong room, the right move. It created a chef in the surgical operational room. So I have back and forth with ChatGPT, coming up with more angles, and I asked the ChatGPT, I want you to come up with weird angles like the one you just created. This one I gave it to you. So now I want you to create different scenes with different professions, careers, and now it started giving me the ideas. Surgeon in a restaurant kitchen, lawyer under the car, pilot driving a taxi, Viking using Excel, that's pretty good one. Animal-based concepts, gorilla in an office. So let me scroll and I'll show you. So this is my first ad, lion in Walmart. Here's another one, mechanic doing a surgery, which is pretty weird. And here's something that I prompted it, a firefighter fighting with a fire, but in a kitchen. This angle makes money. And it's weird angle because people are like, what is this all about? So it makes them click. And this is the purpose of these weird images, to make the person click through our landing page, which is the school community, so they can actually see the community and sign up. I didn't like this messaging, so I created a new messaging which says, wrong job, right person. Now that's controversial image. Pretty good one, by the way. This one converts very well. Maybe you've seen this on Facebook already because I advertise this ad globally. So remember this first image in the beginning. This is how I come up with these weird angles. You need weirdness. You need to be bizarre so people wonder what's going on and they click through. For example, I've tested this ad. This is a very sophisticated ad. This is me holding a bunch of signs, affiliate workflow, high ticket selection, optimize curvature, scale your affiliate system, stop guessing, start the system, whatever. Guess how much money this image made. By the way, post the video and comment down below, how many sales do you think this ad made me? 1, 5, 10, 50? Post the video, take a guess in the comments below. And now the answer, 0. It made me 0 sales. People didn't like it because I think people are already way saturated with all the information out there. Everybody's trying to sell them a course, a coaching, a high ticket, whatever. So now I created this image. Affiliate school. It's funny. It's controversial. It's weird. People click it. Here's Manus creating these weird images. What we have here is 4 layers of narrowing down my ad. So the first example, this is again Manus, it created these ads that they look very generic. Then I told the Manus, hey, create me more controversial ads. But they look very stock, like a stock image here, as you can see. They're like from Shutter. So I told Manus, they look good, but they are too realistic. I want you to make them look more vivid, more colorish. They should be scroll stopping when people see them. They should be bright and make people stop the scroll. This is what is important, what I was telling you. When you advertise on Facebook, on Meta, your job is not to sell a product right now. Your job is to make people stop scrolling because they're constantly bombarded with funny content, brain rot content, whatever it might be. So your job is to first stop them from scrolling and make them click to the next page. You're still not selling them anything. Don't think you're selling them. You're making them stop. You're the creative person now. And then I say, because I think they look too stock footages. They look like a stock footage, the one you created. So these ones. So what Manus did, it created this. They're still the same style. The guy with the toothpaste, the guy with a motorcycle, as you can see here with a motorbike, the upside down man, and I told it to create a man with an umbrella that is upside down, like this one. But I still didn't like them. I'm like, okay, I don't know. They might work, but I want another batch. The last batch I want to test is this. I told it, make these like real people are doing it, like amateur video from an iPhone. So this is what I got. This person that it seems it collects raindrops or rain in his umbrella, even though all the other people were with their own umbrellas, wearing it normally. This guy with the toothpaste and that guy, look at this. This is like a DIY device he created. So everything is weird. Now this one is not that weird, but weirdness and bizarreness is what stops the scroll. Now you have to connect this with your messaging. You cannot just post this person and be like, hey, I'm weird, click through. No. So what I said to Manus, I want you to create and map out the ad copy, the text that people will read after they see these weird images. So here it is. Ad number 1, upside down perspective. Ad copy. This is the hook. Feeling like your affiliate marketing efforts are upside down. It's a perfect match, right? Then we have the body. If you're still doing things the old way, you're practically standing on your head. Profit Avengers flips the script. You see how it matches the weird image with my affiliate marketing course or community? Profit Avengers flips the script, showing you the right way to earn consistent commissions. Ad number 2, reverse norms, the upside down umbrella, right? Here's the hook. Still trying to catch success with an upside down strategy? Very, very congruent, very strong. And here's the body. Many marketers are trying to collect profits with tools that just don't work, like the umbrella upside down. And it says it. It's like using an umbrella to collect rain instead of staying dry. So I hope you're getting the whole picture here. I'm teaching you real strategies that currently work because they work, they're active. This is not only for Profit Avengers, by the way. I'm teaching you just the strategy overall, how to be controversial, how to think out of the box and be out of the norm. If you go to school.com, how you become an affiliate, once you join the community, you're going to see this button settings. When you click settings, you're going to see this share your group link. This is basically your affiliate link, but here I don't have the right link because I'm already logged into my community, so I cannot see it. But you're going to see it, and you're going to see how much money you're going to be making. It's that easy. It's very simple. There you have it, guys. Using Manus AI and ChatGPT to come up with weird angles and controversial ads, and then set up meta ads, 10, 15 bucks, 20 bucks a day just to test the water. And remember, if you even lose money on the front end, because it's a business, it's a risky way of making money. Every business has some risk to it, right? This one, we eliminate the risk, or actually we try to mitigate it by having a longevity. The longevity is that once you bring a customer, the customer stays, and our churn rate is very low. So the customer stays for months. What I'm trying to say is that even if you spend 50 bucks per customer and you're losing money on the front end, you can catch up in the next 2 or 3 months. So it's a game of patience and wait. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's like, this is what we do. We bring the customers. Sometimes we're losing money on the front end, but with time, month after month, we're catching up. We're getting our money back because we have monthly recurring subscription. So what to do from here is, I showed you Manus and ChatGPT, but in the next video, which is, you can access it here in the top right or left corner, I'm showing you how you use Claude and how we use Claude AI to make an additional cash flow or cash stream and bring more money to my business. So click this link top right or top left and watch that video too.